Okay viewers, today I'm bringing you an absolutely amazing cinematic movie that you can see right here. Just look at how incredible this movie looks. And the best part is, I created it with just a few clicks using the XMK website with Seedance 2.5. First, go to YouTube and search for Epic AI Films. Viewers, this channel currently has around 120k subscribers, and it's getting a lot of attention. If we look at the popular videos, you can see videos with 3.8 million views, 3.1 million views, 2.6 million views, and many more videos that have crossed the million view mark. Just look at these videos one by one. They are incredibly engaging and powerful, and these are long-form cinematic videos. So today, I'm going to show you how you can create similar cinematic videos using AI. First, take a look at these uploaded movies carefully. You can see how engaging and professional the results are. And there's one more important thing I want to tell you. I've already generated some prompts related to this type of content using ChatGPT. You'll find these prompts in my description. You can simply download them and use them. And if you want to make any changes, you can easily ask ChatGPT to modify them according to your requirements. Now viewers, let's open the XMK website. This is where we're going to do all of our work today. I'll show you exactly how you can use this website with Seedance 2.5 to create an engaging cinematic movie. As you can see, there's an option here called Try Seedance 2.5. But before that, let me show you the AI image section. There are several image generation models available here, including GPT Image 2, C-Dream, Grok Image, Nano Banana 2, Nano Banana Pro, and many others. And if we go to the AI video section, you can see that there are also several video generation models available, including Seedance 2.5 and other models. But today, our main focus is Seedance 2.5, so without wasting any time, I'm going to click on Seedance 2.5. Okay viewers, as you can see, there are two options available here: reference generation and text to video. For today's project, I'm going to use the reference generation option. I already have my images generated, so there's no need to create them again. I'll simply use these images and convert them into cinematic videos. First, I'll select my first image and add the appropriate prompt. Then, I'll go to the model section and select Seedance 2.5. After that, I'll check the aspect ratio, resolution, and other settings. Once everything is ready, I'll simply click on the Generate button. And as you can see, viewers, my first video has now started generating. You just need to be patient and wait for a few moments. After a short wait, you'll get your final result. And now, look at this result. Oh my God, viewers, my first video has been generated successfully. Just look at the result. This is absolutely amazing. As you can see, Seedance 2.5 on XMK is producing some really impressive results, and you can see the quality right here in front of you. This is just the first video, and we're going to create the rest of the cinematic scenes in exactly the same way. So stay with me, because I'll show you the complete process step by step. Okay viewers, now I'm going to select my second image. I'll use the same process again. First, I'll select the second image, add the same type of cinematic prompt, and then adjust the aspect ratio and other settings according to my requirements. Once everything is ready, I'll simply click on the Generate button. Now, viewers, you just need to be patient and wait for a few moments while the video is being generated. And after a short wait, look at this second video result. This is also absolutely amazing, viewers. Honestly, I'm really enjoying this process because the results from Seedance 2.5 are so impressive that it's difficult to explain just how good they look. Now, let's move on to the third image. I'm going to select my third image, add the appropriate prompt, check my settings, and simply click the Generate button. Again, you'll need to wait for a few moments while the video is being generated. And look at this third video result. My third video is already ready. Just take a look at the result. This is also very, very amazing. So viewers, I've now successfully created 3 separate cinematic video clips. But now I want to show you something even more interesting. Instead of generating every image separately, you can also combine multiple images and create a longer cinematic video. For this demonstration, I'm going to select 4 images. As you can see, I've selected 4 different images here. After selecting all 4 images, I'll simply add a prompt, asking the AI to convert all of these images into one cinematic movie with smooth transitions and a continuous visual flow. Then I'll select a duration of 20 seconds. Once all the settings are ready, I'll simply click the Generate button. And now, viewers, you can see that my cinematic movie has started generating. This is where things get really interesting. After the generation is complete, I'm going to show you the main result and demonstrate exactly how these multiple images have been transformed into one cinematic sequence. So let's wait for a few moments. And now, look at this video. First of all, viewers, take a look at this 20-second cinematic video. Oh my God, this is absolutely amazing. The AI has taken all 4 of my selected images and transformed them into a single cinematic movie, and the final result is right in front of you. Just look at how smoothly these different images have been brought together into one video. The overall cinematic movement, transitions, and visual flow look really impressive. This is exactly why I wanted to show you this feature. You're not limited to creating only short individual clips. You can also combine multiple images and build a longer cinematic sequence by generating additional segments and connecting them together. So viewers, this makes the entire workflow much more powerful for creating cinematic AI movies. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I've shown you the complete process, from selecting your reference images to generating individual cinematic clips, and finally combining multiple images into a longer cinematic sequence. I hope you now have a clear idea of how this tool works and how you can use Seedance 2.5 to create your own cinematic AI videos. Now, let's quickly talk about the pricing. The platform offers several plans, including Basic, Pro, Creator, and Ultimate. Depending on your requirements, you can choose the plan that works best for you. The platform also provides access to several other AI models, so you're not limited to Seedance 2.5 alone. If you're interested in creating AI videos, cinematic movies, or other types of AI-generated content, you can explore the available models and choose the one that fits your workflow. So viewers, I hope you really enjoyed today's video and found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay connected for more AI tools, tutorials, and cinematic content. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care, keep creating, and goodbye.